Instagram went kind of crazy. So check this out. This is probably the best looking 124 I've seen. Amazing. What the hell? Oh yeah, he's got launch control. Dude, that sounds ridiculous. Right, good morning guys, and welcome back to Stef ABtv. Now if this is the first time you are new to this channel, believe me, there is a whole load of car stuff on here, so if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button, obviously like the video once you finish watching it, follow me over at Instagram for all the pre-YouTube kind of stuff. But right, to the matter at hand, behind me obviously you are seeing a Italian supercar, the Ferrari there, and we are here at Auto Italia at Brooklands for what is this year's Italian car festival. And my word, if you've not been to one of these, it's incredible. I need to show you what's going on because you'll love what you're about to see. Check this out. Alright, so I'm super excited to see this car in the flesh. Those of you who follow me on Instagram will know that I've posted a couple of photos of this man's car. My man Rob, how are you, buddy?
Yeah, I'm all good, man.
We're off to, really good. We're off to see your Spider right now because Instagram went kind of crazy for it.
It did.
I was
really surprised, to be honest.
Instagram went kind of crazy. So check this out. This is probably the best looking 124 I've seen. Amazing. Okay, I mean seriously, guys, what the hell? How good does this look? I mean, check the wheels on this alone, the OZs, and he's got it on coilovers. Well, it's the first 124 I've seen on coilovers, but he's got the Dubfire red wrap, which obviously has that really nice sparkle to it, as you can see. The same one that was on, I think, Seen Through Glasses McLaren, I believe. But custom stripes as well, so you've got the matte stripes, which is absolutely fantastic. But for me, this just looks absolutely incredible. Check the stance. Can you see a better 124 at the moment? I'm not sure there is. I genuinely think that is probably one of the best, if not the best 124 at the moment out there. It looks incredible. Right, what else is going on here at Auto Italia? Where's Harry? Come in, my man. Come in, my man. We all remember Harry. So the story behind Harry's car is you've had two of these, haven't you? Yeah. Obviously, we all know that the first one didn't really go to plan. But what I have to say is this car for me looks absolutely incredible. Now, not only is it running air ride, you just showed me a dyno.
Yep, do you want me to get it?
Well, I'll overlay it, don't worry.
Yeah.
What's it running now?
256 brake, 268 foot-pound.
On what turbo?
TD04.
On a TD04. He's hit the 250 bhp mark in that, but I just think that looks so sick. Have a look at this. He's gone full on air ride at the back here, and this just looks so nice. Massive sub in here. It's all about the little details for me. Airlift, air ride suspension, Pioneer setup. Seats are looking good, and you can see over there he's got the CAE shifter. That, in my opinion, just looks absolutely bonkers. I'm still to drive a car with this shifter on, so I might actually speak to Harry, or JJ's got one, so I need to drive one with a CAE. Madness. What about this Nardo Grey Lamborghini Huracan, guys? How sick does that look? I'm feeling this car a lot. I'm not sure if you're in focus or not, but yeah, this car looks sick. Yeah, that colour combo, the Nardo Grey with the black wheels, looks so good in my opinion. I just think it looks wicked. And in the sunlight, it's popping proper, unreal. Nave, say hi.
Hello.
Hey Nathan, have you started your YouTube yet?
Yes.
Plug it.
Nathan Hardy.
That's it. There you go, Nathan Hardy. Okay, alright, I'm trying not to get in the way of everyone's photographs, but check out the Speciale. Oh my word. One of the best looking Ferraris out there at the moment, in my opinion anyway. But that looks so sick. I mean, such a beast. And if you're a fan of Italian cars in general, and also, in fact, if you're a fan of Ferrari in general, I'll leave a note to the card up here so you can have a look. So I went to Passion Ferrari a couple of videos ago. Loads of those. Not even one, just flipping loads of them. What do we think of the white 4C, guys? I think this looks pretty sick. 4C Spider. She's looking good. Oh man. Oh yes. I don't know if you can see this. Come on, focus. There you go. So yeah, I do think that white on the Alfa with the tan leather looks absolutely sick. And you know what? This kind of makes me really want to have the Alfa press car right now in this kind of weather, or even the Spider, if I'm honest with you. Just anything convertible, because we don't get this weather often. And to be fair, I think it's the hottest May on record, I believe. But then last week was the worst week we've had in a long time. So I just don't know, the weather's a bit confusing, but yeah. Back of that. Dude, that sounds ridiculous. High five, winning in life. The Performante sounds absolutely ridiculous, by the way. I'm not live on Insta, but I can be. Hi.
No, I was just
say hi to the vlog.
Hiya.
There you go.
Take care.
You're welcome, cheers. Oh, look at that. Check the 8C out. How mean does that look? Oh, I love this. I love this car. Such a good looking car. Real believer that they should make the 6C, because the 6C would be amazing. It is absolutely manic. I mean, the amount of cars that have turned up. Have a look at this. It is absolutely getting packed, and still more and more cars and people are coming. Now we all know that Brooklands is a historic place. It always has been. It's really strong when it comes to car history. But what's over here on my left is kind of what it was going to be like, what it would have been like back in the day when the old school Fiat 500s were about, long before the Abarth cars and all that good stuff. But these are just so cool, man. Oh, I love them. There's just so many of these little things to choose from. I just love them all. But I think for me, I like that one. I think that's wicked with the checkered roof. But as I've said in my previous videos, these cars are just awesome. And look at that for a shot with the Concorde. Absolutely fantastic. Oh my word, that purple looks absolutely incredible. And look, the forged carbon up on the top here. I'm in love with this thing here, but look at the colour. That colour is fantastic. Oh, this could potentially be car of the show for me, just because I'm so in love with that purple and green combo. And obviously they are killing it with the Lambo calipers. But oh, that looks amazing. Alright, so we finally made it to all of the Abarth section, and right, there are tons of us. We've got all the Puntos here as well. But this is probably the most Puntos I've seen together grouped, so great stuff. Got loads of these cars out here. Daryl's car, this Punto, needs to get filmed. We need to make it happen. Right, so what else we got? We got Rose, obviously Alpha section over there. We've got the squad over here. Hi! How's it going?
Yeah, good, thank you.
How are you finding the day?
Absolutely awesome.
Are you going to rev it? Hang on.
Go on then. It's got a rev limiter now.
Hang on. Oh yeah, he's got launch control. So the only guy I know with launch control on is Abarth. That's sick.
It's alright, isn't it? It's good. It's good.
You got JT's car looking good with the OZ Ultra Legeras. Sounds mean. Jay, that sounds mean. Give it a rev. Looking good. How are you? How are the wheels?
The wheels are sick, mate. I love them.
They look fantastic. They look really nice, man.
Thanks very much.
Really good shout on the 18 Ultra Legeras. Look at these. Obviously got the Abarth Owners Club stand, looking good as always. Cheeky cake. Who made that?
Who do you think?
Was that Gina G? Did you make the cake? Jack, what's happening?
What's happening, Randy?
Bertie,
Hello,
Shannon,
everyone.
how are you? How are you finding today?
Yeah, it's good. It's lovely. Weather's great. Turnout's amazing. We're too
It is,
full.
isn't it?
We're
It is.
busy.
Once again.
We're too full once again. I think it's 8:45 and we were full.
And they gave us a bigger section this time as well, didn't they? And
Still
we've
filled
maxed
it.
that out. We've completely
Still not-
maxed that
still
out.
not
But,
big enough.
and the weather is absolutely insane. Right,
You're
let's
not
get some
part of
food
the
down me. I'm
Abarth
starving.
Picnic, is it 1 o'clock we're doing it?
To that fix.
Yeah,
1 o'clock. What's that? Checking out the movement sponsorship. Right, okay, so finally you're going to see this as the proper take, but I've been trying to do this clip for about 10 minutes because the guy on the tannoid won't stop talking. But in summary, Auto Italia, again, it never disappoints. Every year Auto Italia is a spectacle for anybody who loves Italian cars. This year, us in the Abarth community have absolutely nailed it. We've got so many cars, I don't know the exact number, but we've got absolutely loads of them. So much so that we packed this area and also up on the heights as well, which I showed you earlier on, we packed that up as well. So I've had an absolute blast. A massive shout out to the Abarth Owners Club and everybody else who's come down. And there he goes again, but I'm going to keep talking anyway. But I hope you've enjoyed the video. So if you have, guys, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. And I'm going to see you all very soon on the next one. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. This guy is winding me up. Okay. We've got all of the Abarth
Excuse the
down
interruptions,
here.
ladies and gentlemen. Everybody's
Fantastic.
looking for Phil Ward today, and as soon as I